all on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy got a cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing shots. So you like drinking that nasty alcohol? Let's skip that this holiday season. We're going ahead with some ginger shots. So more specifically, ginger and lemon shots. So go ahead and get you a lemon. Go ahead and peel that lemon. Then get you another lemon and cut it in half. Then get you some turmeric. We are going to add turmeric in this as well. And then get you some ginger, a bunch of it at that, because we want to at least make 3 to 4 shots out of this ginger. So I got 2 knobs of ginger there. And then we're going to get our glass ready because these are shots. So we got some cinnamon for that warmness. So go ahead and put you some cinnamon in a ramekin, and then in the other ramekin put you some lemon. And this is just going to be for our garnish for our glass, so our shot glass garnish. So go ahead and put the shot glass in that lemon juice and then pop it directly in that cinnamon, and that's what's going to help the cinnamon adhere to the glass. And you don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but it'll give you that really warm feeling on top of that garlic when you popping these shots back. So go ahead and get all your glasses done, and I did 3. And then we're going to make a foam, and this is going to be a lemon honey foam. So just the other half of that lemon, juice it in this glass, or juice it in the glass, and then add you some honey to your desired likeness. This honey is going to add a little bit of sweetness for it, and it's also going to help us with our sore throats and our cough during this flu season. So that's what the honey is there for. So then go ahead and get you a juicer, and this is a macerating juicer. It's a slow juicer. So instead of blending everything up and juicing it that way, this juicer actually crushes the fruits and vegetables and herbs. It crushes it, and it helps the juice not get hot. It stays at the consistent temperature, but it also extracts all the juice from the fruit or the vegetable itself, so you're just left with straight up pulp, and that pulp should be extra dry. So once you get that juice, go ahead and pop that juice into these shot glasses, and just simple as that. This is a simple recipe. Fill those shot glasses all the way up to the top, because we are going to finish around the rim with our foam, and that is our lemon honey foam. And we just frothed that up with a little coffee frother, actually. So once you get to that step there, go ahead and finish topping it off, and there you have it, man. The most amazing ginger, lemon, turmeric shots with honey lime, lemon honey. There we go, lemon honey foam. But yeah, there you have it, man. The most amazing shots from the bistro. Like I said, it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, today. You taking those nasty shots that's just poisoning your body. Why don't you put something good in your body? And it's a good immune boost, especially during this COVID season and this flu season. I'm not saying it's going to help you cure anything, but it will give you some extra nutrients to help fight off the flu or the cold, or even COVID, for instance. It'll just help you, give you more nutrients to help fight that and come back to better health. But yeah, man, there you have it, man. The most amazing shots from the bistro. One thing, guys, checking this video out, like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said, happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. We're about to approach Christmas season, so hopefully we get some good content out there for you guys. If you got recipes you would like me to try, or recipes you would like me to make, link them down below in the comment section, and I'll try to get those made for you. We just popped a shot, and it's extra strong and great and fulfilling. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel like you can walk forever after taking that shot. That's how strong it is, man. But yeah, one thing, guys, for checking this video out, like, comment, share, subscribe, man. The most amazing shots from the bistro. I'll catch you guys next week. I'm out.